Welcome to the heart of German innovation, IDEA, where silence becomes precision.
Behind these walls, electricity takes form, crafted by machines born of perfection.
Every corridor leads deeper into precision and the rhythm of human design.
Here, technology breathes. Steel moves with purpose.
Only those who understand precision may enter.
Every spark here is a heartbeat, one pulse beat, one pulse closer to motion.
Blueprints become blue light Kafferling, the language of machines.
Automation doesn't replace hands. It extends them.
The human eye still guides what algorithms can only see.
This is where the future begins.
Every movement measured, every spark controlled. Perfection starts with alignment.
Human touch remains Kapthum, the unseen link between design and delivery.
Light replaces hands, yet intention stays the same. Editor, seamless creation.
Lines of progress, Plevan. Each frame, a promise of motion.
Machines build, but humans confirm praise. Trust forged in verification.
Gravity obeys the engineer's blueprint, decided every ton balanced in precision.
Identity forged in steel, kind. A symbol that defines movement.
Perfection isn't assembled, Jav. It's aligned, one fraction at a time. From raw aluminum to form, beauty travels on rails of repetition. Before color comes purity pied. Every surface reborn for transformation.
Color is precision made visible. Univrinity, a science of reflection and control.
Every droplet finds its path, meaning you, guided by invisible mathematics.
Human precision watches over robotic rhythm, art and engineering in harmony.
In silence, perfection harders mendie, every surface sealed against imperfection.
Smoothness isn't touched, it's engineered through repetition.
The human eye, still the final instrument of quality.
Precision leaves the chamber at play and enter motion.
Identity sealed in brilliance, the mark of performance.
From steel to color, from structure to soul to tuid, perfection takes its first breath.
Here, the pulse of progress takes form, energy packaged with surgical precision.
Each cell, a heartbeat commodian. Together, they form the rhythm of motion.
Temperature defines endurance. Weight, every degree engineered for perfection.
Electricity demands respect. Each connection is a pact with precision.
Intelligence flows first through circuits, then through wheels.
The heart meets the body, Cranston, uniting weight, balance, and will.
Innovation engraved in metal celi. Electricity given identity.
Every rotation rehearses perfection. Hindi, a silent symphony of torque. Energy contained, control achieved, and Vakund. The i7 is ready to breathe.
Luxury begins where precision meets patience, crafted by hands that feel, not just build.
Technology measures to the millimeter, but comfort is always human. Every stitch is a promise of detail, symmetry woven into silence. Light becomes atmosphere comfort, engineering that feels alive.
Luxury isn't decoration, Jose. It's discipline in disguise.
Transparency with strength, Yupangyun. Glass engineered to carry the sky.
Precision doesn't stop at mechanics, Fuxing. It continues in pixels.
True silence isn't emptiness, Twiderfably. It's mastery over noise.
Every component finds its home. IKEA. Harmony by design.
Comfort engineered, luxury defined, in. This is where movement becomes emotion.
In this stage, silence learns to think. Data becomes awareness.
Every circuit finds its home. Amen. Order made visible through design.
The car's nervous system awakens now. Lines of code replacing veins.
Light travels faster than thought. Here, it carries instruction.
Vision installed Michelin. Now the car can see as far as it can move. Testing is truth, Dathia. Perfection proven, one photon at a time.
Intelligence has a beginning to find, and this is its first breath.
Thousands of checks, one goal, absolute reliability.
When power meets design, the machine wakes, a new form of precision.
Electronics unite with motioned faith, and intelligence finds its form.
Before it earns the road, every i7 must prove itself. Perfection under pressure.
Every tremor measured, every sound recorded. Endurance engineered in silence. Data speaks where metal cannot bleed. Precision recorded in motion. Every drop accounted for. Perfection doesn't tolerate leaks. Precision feels invisible, but its signature is always measurable.
Performance without motion played. Testing power within stillness.
Silence tested as a feature can join. Every whisper engineered away.
Trial by perfection, and perfection prevails. Now the world becomes the laboratory, and the road, its final judge.
Power without noise taskable. Momentum born from mathematics.
Every stop rehearsed 1,000 times. Control refined through repetition.
Agility shaped by balanced topodate, steel and software sharing the same instinct.
Every corner translated into code basted. Every movement analyzed, understood.
Friction becomes discipline clarence. Every droplet met with control. Identity renewed. The cycle of motion begins again.
Every journey begins in silence and ends in mastery.
Every creation returns home once or for judgment.
Verification isn't paperwork, Farnio. It's the language of trust.
Light tells the truth, Tinkel, even when the machine cannot.
Perfection polished, every detail rehearsed before the stage. A symbol that wakes the moment with technology with identity.
Identity sealed, latent, precision documented.
Every masterpiece leaves its birthplace pain, yet carries it within.
From blueprint to motion, the journey is complete.
Progress lined up in silence, in Temming, ready to move the world.